Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can track text in Davinci Resolve 18, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I've added a clip which I'll be using to demonstrate the tracking ability. And now, once you've added everything you want, you can go into the Fusion tab, which is the middlemost tab down here. Then what you want to do is click on this area with the two nodes and click Control or Command Space, and then you want to locate the tracker and add a tracker node, and then you want to set it up. Firstly, you want to connect it to both the input and the output, like so. And once you're done with that, you can then go into the inspector and then, well, just create the tracker. Firstly, what you want to do is you'll notice this green rectangle, which you can resize however you want, and you just want to drag it to the point that you want to track. I'll track this horse's head, and then once you've set that up, you need to click this, which is track forward, and it'll render the entire video and track the footage that you have specified. Now, it is freaking out on my screen simply because the horse is turning its head and the lighting and the textures are different, so it can't really recognize the same space. It is following it quite well. As you can see now, it is a bit more stable, but it will freak out at certain points depending on your footage. It really does depend on, well, you and your footage. If it's a constant object, it won't freak out. If it's not, it will. But after you're done, you'll receive this render completed message, and you'll see the trajectory of the rendered sort of trajectory tracker. And now that you've done that, you need to go back into the inspector, go to operation, select match move, and now we're done with the tracker and in the inspector. Now what you want to add is a text node, and make sure to delete the merge and add the text here and connect it to the tracker directly. And then you just want to add some text. I'll just write test. As you can see, it has appeared right near where the tracker is supposed to be. And now that you've done that, you just play it, and as you can see, the text will be tracked to the point that you have specified. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.